Welcome to this complete mechanical design and assembly masterclass, a course built to take you beyond the basic 3D modeling into the mindset of real mechanical design engineering. This is not just the collection of parts on screen, it is a structured journey through how the complex mechanical systems are conceived, designed, modeled, assembled, and presented using professional CAD workflows. In this course, you will work through fully developed, industry-inspired projects, each selected to represent different class of the mechanical design challenge. We begin with the V6, a high-performance mechanical system where precision, synchronization, and kinematic relationship define success. You will explore how pistons, connecting rod, crankshaft, camshaft, and valve trains interact within the tight and functional constraint. Along the way, you will understand how design intent is captured through reference geometry, sketches, and feature relationship, ensuring that your model remain editable and engineering driven rather than just visually accurate. From there, you move into the fluid machinery with the Lobe pump, a project that introduces you to the controlled clearances, volumetric flow principles, timing between rotating components. You will see how housing, geometry, rotor profile, and the shaft alignment influence performance and reliability. This project defines the precision modeling, tolerance awareness, and importance of assembly constraint, ensuring smooth and interaction-free motion. Next, we shift to the workshop and manufacturing equipment with the grinder Vise. Here, the focus is on structural integrity, load path, and mechanical advantage. You will design and assemble a fixed and moving jaws, lead screws, guideways, and the base component while learning how to model for strength and alignment and real-world usability. This project highlights how the functional requirements translate directly into geometry, dimension, and the part relationship. We then explore the mechanical simplicity and the consumer product engineering through the wing Corkscrew, a system to demonstrate how gears, levers, helical motion can be combined to create powerful mechanical advantage in compact and elegant form. You will model every component from the central worm screw and the body housing to the wing arm and riveted joints and assemble them into a fully functioning mechanism. This project reinforced the importance of the motion study, symmetry, subassembly structure in the professional CAD design. Finally, we bring everything together with the complete differential assembly, one of the most important systems in automotive engineering. We will break down the carrier, spider gear, side gears, shafts, housings to understand how the torque is transmitted and split between the rotating output. This project challenges you to manage complex gear relationship, alignment conditions, and assemblies that mirror the real industry design practices. Throughout this course, every project is supported by a detailed modeling video and structured assembly workflows. You will learn how to plan your design, create clean and fully defined sketches, apply design intent through the reference plane and global parameters, and build assemblies that are stable, flexible, and presentation ready. Beyond modeling, you will also gain the insight into how professional engineers think about the function, manufacturability, and the system level integration. By the end of this course, you will not only have the portfolio quality mechanical systems, but also the strong foundation in how to approach any new design problem with confidence and engineering logic. Whether you are a student, CAD enthusiast, or aspiring mechanical design engineer, this course is designed to transform the way you model, assemble, and present mechanical systems. Let's begin this journey from the concept to component to complete working machine.